Good morning. Zackary and I are back at it. They're gonna keep stripping this thing apart. There's a little bit of rust spots in little areas, so they're trying to sand it down right now. And they're probably gonna sandblast it. They went ahead and took a bunch of other stuff out as well, as you can see. Aiden is at it today. Aiden, what are we doing?
We have to sand down all the rust and then strip off some of the pieces off the car.
What are we doing here? What's going on?
Gotta keep taking the.
As you can see, they're taking their time and trying to get like every spot they could possibly get, all the little corners. I know it probably looks like nothing, but we're very meticulous about the way we do things and getting like every inch of whatever out so we could preserve it and try to keep it as long as possible. What's going on over here? Just a little bit going on there. We're gonna get that bolt out. It's being a pain in the ass to take out. So yeah, this is where we're at. Aiden, how much are you trying to accomplish today?
About around here for me, and then Zackary could do his side of the car.
Okay, so you guys are splitting sides?
Splitting sides.
That's your fender, this is his fender. Zackary, you say anything? No, we're not ready yet. We're not ready yet. Okay. That's alright. You see on this side, Zackary did a bunch of jobs as well, a bunch of things as well. It turned out pretty well. Some parts are like too shiny, but I guess that's a good thing. So we'll see. Oh, I forgot to mention that this area right here, like right here, it was, I guess this car had a small hit on this corner here, so this was all the way in here. So we went ahead and pulled everything back out. Derek was able to get everything out. Right here you can still see a little bit, but by the time we're done with it, it'll be like brand new. So we still got a little bit more to straighten out, but nothing crazy.
That was one. There's like 3 down there.
Oh yeah? How many you got out already?
3. Dad. Okay. I just need that piece right there. I gotta get this straight up. Found the last one. Alright guys, we finally got this out. And let's start off by
morning, guys. We're back today. I'm here with Aiden. We're gonna finish working on the S13. As you can see, they've cleaned up like everything, almost. I have certain area marked off where I'm gonna be welding and filling these holes in. I'm gonna fill them in. This part right here, we're gonna cut all of this off and then remake this piece, fabricate a piece to fit back in here, and then we're gonna cut out a hole to put in our intercooler piping to go down. Zackary and I went ahead and they cleaned up quite a bit. Over here, I also have some more markings that I'm gonna be filling in all of these. Gonna practice my welding skill a little bit more today. And then we're just gonna sand it out. And hopefully by the end of the day have everything, come on this side. Hopefully by the end of the day we'll have everything prepped and ready to put a coat of primer on. And currently Zackary's on the computer trying to pick a color because he can't decide what color to do yet. But we'll keep you updated. See you later. Bye. Weird. All right.